Wait, before you panic about Bitcoin, you need to see this. The market is setting a trap and most traders are walking straight into it. Stay with me for the next few minutes because what I'm about to show you could save you from a costly mistake. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Wealthori AI, where we break down complex crypto markets into simple, actionable insights. Today, we're diving deep into Bitcoin. The price has been volatile, people are confused, and there's a lot of noise out there. But here's the thing. I'm going to show you exactly what's happening, what the charts are telling us, and most importantly, what levels you need to watch right now. If you're new here, we make crypto analysis easy to understand. No complicated jargon, just clear strategies. So hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Let me paint you a picture of where Bitcoin is right now. Imagine you're walking through a hallway with walls on both sides. Bitcoin is doing exactly that. It's moving between a support floor and a resistance ceiling. This pattern has been playing out for weeks. Here's what's interesting. Every time Bitcoin breaks below that support floor in this cycle, we've seen a significant drop. Not just a small dip, a real rejection to the downside. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting right at that support level, and this is where it gets critical, because what happens next will determine whether we continue climbing or whether we need to brace for a deeper pullback. But here's the key question. Is a pullback necessarily bad? We'll come back to that in just a moment. First, let me show you something most traders are missing. There's a tool I use called the EMA ribbon. Think of it like a safety net for Bitcoin. Throughout crypto history, whenever Bitcoin holds above this safety net, we stay in a bull market. But when it falls through, that's when bear markets begin. Right now, that safety net is sitting at around $79,000. Yes, you heard that right. As long as Bitcoin stays above that level, the bull market structure is still intact. But there's another level that's even more important right now, and this is where the trap is being set. Pay close attention. The 50-week exponential moving average is currently at 79,997. Historically, holding this line has meant the difference between continuation and correction. So remember this number. It's going to be crucial for what I'm about to explain next. Alright, here's where it gets really interesting, and where most people are going to get fooled. There's something called confluence in trading. Imagine multiple road signs all pointing to the same destination. When that happens, the chances of reaching that destination go way up. Right now, we're seeing confluence around 197,000. Let me explain why this matters. First, we have the bottom of that EMA ribbon safety net at $97,000. Second, there's something called the volume profile point of control. Basically, it's a price magnet, and guess where it's sitting? Also at $97,000. Here's what this means. If Bitcoin loses the support at 111,500 cows on the weekly chart, there's a strong probability it will gravitate toward $97,000. Now here's the trap. And listen carefully, a drop to $97,000 is not a bear market signal. Most people will panic. Most people will sell. Most people will think the bull run is over. But the truth is, everything above $97,000 is still within healthy bull market territory. Think of it like a basketball game. Just because your team is down at halftime doesn't mean you've lost the game. The game isn't over until the final buzzer. And for Bitcoin, that buzzer is at $97,000. So here's your action plan. Write this down. Level 1, 111,500. This is your first line of defense. If Bitcoin holds this on the weekly chart, we're likely to bounce and continue higher. Watch this level closely. Level 2, $97,000. If we break below $111,500, don't panic. The real test is at $97,000. This is where you need to pay attention. As long as we hold $97,000, the bull market is still alive. Level 3, below $97,000. Only if we lose this level convincingly would I start considering a deeper correction or bear market scenario. The key takeaway? Don't get trapped by short-term fear. The market wants you to panic. The market wants you to sell at the bottom. Don't give it that satisfaction. Remember, in crypto, patience and strategy beat emotion every single time. Let me zoom out for a second. Bitcoin is still up massively from where it was a year ago. The technology behind crypto is growing. Adoption is increasing. Institutions are still buying. Yes, we're going through volatility, but volatility is the price you pay for opportunity. Every major Bitcoin bull run has had moments like this, moments where it tested traders, moments where it shook out weak hands. The question is, are you going to be shaken out or are you going to be strategic? I'm not saying Bitcoin can't go down. I'm not saying we won't see $97,000. What I am saying is, have a plan, understand the levels, and don't let emotions drive your decisions. Alright, that's the analysis for today. If you found this helpful, do me a favor, smash that like button. It helps this video reach more people who need to see this information, and drop a comment below. Are you worried about Bitcoin's price right now? Or are you staying calm and strategic? I read every single comment and I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We post regular crypto analysis and market breakdowns to keep you ahead of the game. Remember, wealth isn't built by chasing pumps or panicking during dumps. It's built by understanding the game, having a strategy, and staying disciplined. I'm here to help you build that strategy, one video at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay strategic, stay informed, and I'll catch you soon.